Certainly, Mother Nature also reminding us, along with the city and other agencies, that winter is on the way. A sharp drop in temperature next Monday into Tuesday. First alert weather days for both days. Again, here's what we're watching for you. The cold and the wind, a guarantee. Snow is pretty likely up in the mountains. We're talking the highest peaks, Alleghenies over towards the Blue Ridge, into Garrett County, up into Pennsylvania, down into West Virginia. Locally, though, there could also be a few wind-blown sprinkles and snow flurries Monday night to Tuesday morning. Breaking that down for you here in just a moment. But it's already pretty chilly outside, even ahead of that system. 46 right now in Frederick, 46 in Lexington Park, 41 in Elkton, 44 Bel Air. For the time being, BWI is at 52. Not for long, though. We're quickly over the next hour or so back into the 40s. That's in the city. Many already verging on 30s, and you'll be there by 9 o'clock. Even the city falling into the 30s by midnight tonight. Out the door tomorrow morning, low to mid 30s. Frost is very likely, especially outside the Beltway. We do have a frost advisory along and south and east of 95. Just because you're on the northwest side doesn't mean you won't see any frost and that it won't be cold. It's just your growing season has already ended. You've already had some frost, already had a freeze or two up in the Westminster area, Frederick into Hagerstown as well. Eastern Shore waking up to temperatures ranging from the mid 30s along the Delaware state line to around 40 on the bay. Case in point, west side of the bay here, we're in your neighborhood in Anne Arundel County. Notice the range in temperatures here. Depends on which neighborhood you're in. Cape St. Clair, 43. Annapolis, City Dock, 43, 44. But you get to Severn and maybe Odenton, and you're about 35, 36. So western and inland portions of the county will be coldest and likely frostiest. Low impacts, though, to that morning drive. Just make sure you thaw the windshield if you do have a little bit of frost. You have to do a little bit of scraping. And then after a cold morning, stunner of a day in the Maryland cast. Only spot that's going to be watching out for some daytime showers. That's the mountains. Western Maryland, southern Maryland, Eastern Shore and beaches, sunshine 60s as well. 64 in Frederick, 62 in Westminster, lower 60s Elkton, 64 Clinton, 64 in Cambridge. That's actually warmer than today. So a weird day, colder start than this morning, but a warmer afternoon than what we got to enjoy today. And then overnight tomorrow night into Saturday while you're sleeping, case in point between midnight, 2, 3, 4 a.m., that is when the rain chance peaks. We could use a little bit of rain. And the good news for the weekend plans, it's not really going to impact any of those plans. Case in point, Veterans Day, we're back into the lower 70s, and we're looking dry here. A bit breezy, sun and clouds, very nice. Again, we are streaming the Veterans Parade, Baltimore City's Veterans Day Parade on CBS News Baltimore. Sunday, Howard County's Veterans Day Parade and celebration. Not as nice, but not a complete washout, not completely terrible, won't rain the entire time, but morning showers, maybe a midday break, then afternoon and evening showers, again, a possibility. And then our first alert weather day, that's Monday. We're going to wake up to 40s. That's not too bad, but the struggle with Monday is we're not going to warm up very much. If anything, temperatures could fall through the afternoon into the evening. Winds will be at least breezy, if not windy, and as the coldest of the air settles in Monday night, here we are 2 a.m. on Tuesday morning, we could see some sprinkles and some flurries with temps in the 30s, wind blown at that. And notice where the real snow is. That's in far western Maryland, up in the mountains, stretching from Pennsylvania down to West Virginia. Dry Tuesday, but cold and very windy. Back to 60, though, guys, Wednesday into Thursday.
Thank you, Cutter. Rick